The crypto market is growing and the pre-sale season is beginning. Are you ready to participate in pre-sales? The bull season is approaching, and Launchpad platforms offer good opportunities for high profits. During the 2021 bull season, many Launchpad tokens provided fantastic gains for investors. Some tokens increased by 50 times, while others surged by 100 times in value. Launchpads are platforms where new projects are introduced for investment. After crypto projects are announced on Launchpad platforms, investors put money into these projects. Later, the project's tokens are distributed to investors at specific intervals, often resulting in significant profits, although sometimes losses occur. Let me give you an example. In 2020, when Solana was first announced on the CoinList platform, its price was 22 cents. After the pre-sale, it generated tremendous profits, with the current price being $78. This means that Solana investors gained 358 times their investment. Please take a look at other pre-sale projects. The prices listed here are the sale prices, while the current prices are on the left. The column on the right shows how many times the project has gained. On the right side are the launchpads where the projects were sold. Launchpads don't guarantee profits, but investing in a successful project could potentially lead to substantial returns, possibly enough to retire on. You can see the launchpads here, although there are many more not listed. According to CryptoRank, these are the top launchpads in terms of profit performance in the last year. If you want to participate in launchpads, choose one and conduct research. Typically, to be an investor in launchpads, you need to stake. Depending on the amount you stake, you'll receive a certain purchase right. For instance, there's currently a pre-sale for Script Network on the DAO Launchpad. To participate, you must register on the DAO platform and acquire DAO tokens for staking. The more DAO tokens you lock, the more purchase rights you'll have. If you stake between 250 and 1999 DAO tokens, you'll be in Tier 0. To reach Tier 1, you need over 2,000 DAO tokens. This will grant you more purchase rights, and as your DAO token amount increases, your tier levels increase too. However, to participate in a pre-sale on the DAO Launchpad, you need to have at least 250 DAO tokens, which roughly amounts to $310. Each Launchpad has its own rules, so you can choose which one to join. Seizing every opportunity is crucial. The pre-sale season has begun, and we'll see many new projects on Launchpad platforms. If you don't trust a project or feel its price is too high, refrain from investing because not every project yields profits. Launchpads present us with great opportunities, but beware of fraudulent Launchpad platforms. Conduct thorough research and closely follow projects. Launchpads will become increasingly significant during the bull season. That's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.